Hi, my name's George, and in this video I will talk about the energy systems involved in the 4 kilometre run. During the 4 kilometre run, there are 3 energy systems involved. These are ATP-PC, anaerobic, which is also known as lactic acid or glycolytic, and finally the last energy system is aerobic. ATP-PC is the energy system that will last up to 10 seconds with an intensity rate of 95 to 100%. The fuel source for ATP-PC is creatine phosphate. This is a chemical that holds energy in your muscles. This gives you energy to get your intensity rate up to 100% for 10 seconds. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. In this energy system, the adenosine triphosphate turns to diphosphate. You start with 3 phosphates, and during the energy system you use a creatine phosphate, resulting in a loss in phosphate, which is where the name diphosphate comes from. I will use this energy system either at the start or at the end of a race to either get ahead of the pack and start at the start, or burn off another competitor at the end of the race. Anaerobic, also known as lactic acid and glycolytic, is the energy system which will last from about 45 seconds to 3 minutes. This system has an intensity rate of 85 to 95%. The food source for the anaerobic system is glucose. Glucose comes from sugars and gives you energy to enhance your anaerobic performance. Lactic acid is the byproduct of anaerobic, and this is where you will get build-up of acid in your muscles, resulting in cramps, etc. During the 4 kilometre run, you will use the anaerobic system during the first 800 metres of your run to get off to a good start, then eventually transition into the aerobic system. The aerobic system is the final energy system the body would use. This is the one energy system that is used with oxygen. During the 4 kilometre run, this energy system would predominantly be used during the mid-stage of the run, when setting a steady pace and a pace used to preserve energy for the later stage in the run. The byproduct for the aerobic system is water and CO2. This, for example, is sweat your body is producing, and getting rid of CO2 from your body, because it is just a waste of space and cannot be reused. The aerobic system relies on proteins and carbohydrates, foods such as eggs and bread, for longer term energy. This system will have an intensity rate of 50 to 85%. To conclude, the 3 energy systems involved in the 4 kilometre run are ATP-PC, anaerobic and aerobic. Between the systems from one to another, there is a transition phase, which means your performance will not decrease during the run. Thank you for listening.